Hello friends, Color School Halol presenting this video for Standard 8 English Medium subject English Grammar. Friends, today we are going to discuss about noun part number 2. About this topic noun we already discussed in video number 1 of this topic noun part number 1. Those who hadn't seen that video, firstly go and watch that video so that you can understand what is the previous part and what is the basic matter about the noun. So already some rules we already discussed in that video. So in this video we will discuss further. Now singular and plural noun. What is the singular noun and what is the plural noun? That we all know about the singular and plural form in English. Singular noun refers to just one person. Singular noun refers with the one person, animal, thing or a place. That is called singular noun. While a plural noun that represent more than one person, animal, thing or a place. Clear? Singular noun is refers about the one person, animal or a thing, or plural noun reflects about the more than one person, animal, thing or place. Noun are either singular or plural. Most of the plural noun have an s ended. Okay, whatever the plural noun were there, you can see that all most of the means most plural noun has have an s ended, means it is end with the s and their ending. Other plural noun do not follow the sum editing, now regular pronoun. Regular plural noun is given here. Which are the regular plural noun? Most singular noun needs s at the end to become the plural. Most of the singular noun need which word? S word to end. मतलब end में अगर आप s लगाओगे तो it will be transformed into plural form. For example, cat, s लगाओगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? Cats, kite. If you use s, kites, players, books, aliens, etc. So you see here these examples at the end. If they put the s, it will be transformed into plural form. Singular noun ending in these letters. Which letters are given here? S, double s, sh, ch, x or z. Again I repeat, s, double s, sh, ch, x or z. If the singular noun ending with these letters need an es at the end to become the plural. If you want to make the singular noun into the plural and that particular noun ending with this letter s, double s, sh, ch, x or z, okay, with this letter it will become plural. If you want to make that particular noun as a plural form, you have to add es at the end. For example, here given octopus, okay, it is end with the s, so es put it down here. Can you see? Es. Glass, double s here, double s is there, es you have to use. sh, bush, sh is there, so es, use es. Fox, x is there, so es used. Z is there, okay, so es is there. So the end of the noun, this from this letter will be there, you have to put it down es. Otherwise you have to put it down s only to make the plural. But from this letter, one of this letter will become at the end of the word or the end of the noun, you can use es. So this is the regular plural noun and regular singular noun. Now irregular plural noun. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. Some nouns are same if you use that noun as a singular or plural, they will become same. For example, deer, sheep, series, fish, etc. This noun are remain same whether it is into the singular form or it is into the plural form. Some nouns ending in f require that to change the f to a v. Okay, if the particular noun end with the f, and if you want to make that particular noun as a plural, you have to use v instead of the f, and then after you have to add s. For example, here given one example, elf. Okay, elf word is there, so lastly f is there, so you have to remove this f, and on that place you have to add v. Okay, so spelling will be elves. Knife, knife. Lastly what is there? F is there, fe is there. Okay, so knives, you have to remove f. Here loaf, loaf, last word is f, so you have to remove this f and use v, and after that you can use es. So after removing f, you have to add ves. That is called the that is the rule for making the irregular pronoun from singular to plural. Now, noun that ends with the y, whatever the noun that ends with the y, often require that you change y to an I. If the any noun ends with the y, you have to remove that y and use I, and then after you can add es. Okay, अगर कोई नाउन y से एंड होता है तो आपको लास्ट में क्या लगाना है? y को हटा देना है और उसकी जगह पे I लगाना है, और उसके बाद ही आप es लगा के उसको प्लूरल बना सकते हो. दिस इज द रूल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इधर हियर गिवन दैट बेबी, लास्ट क्या है? y है, तो y निकाल दो, उसकी जगह पे क्या लगाओगे? I लगाओगे, तो BABIES, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लूरल. ओके, FAIRY, CHILLY, y निकाल दो, CHILLIES, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल अगर लास्ट में y हो तो. some exceptions to this rule: monkey, monkeys, stories, etc. so some are expectational because एक्सपेक्टेशन इसलिए कहा गया है कि उनके अंदर इस तरीके के रूल लागू नहीं पड़ते हैं. दैट्स वाई दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सेप्शंस. ओके, हियर गिवन सम एग्जाम्पल अबाउट द सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल नाउन. ओके, सम मोर एग्जाम्पल अबाउट द इरेग्युलर प्लूरल नाउन. इरेग्युलर प्लूरल नाउन के कुछ एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे हमको बताए गए हैं. सी, सिंगुलर WOMAN, वुमन का क्या होगा? WOMEN. MAN, मैन का MEN. चाइल्ड का चिल्ड्रन. टूथ का टीथ. माउस का मीस. गूस का गीज. ओके, डिग्नोसिस का डिग्नोसिस. ओके, सिलेबस का सिलेबी और सिलेबियस. एनालिस का एनालिसिस. ऑजीज का ऑजीज. स्पेलिंग, सी दैट स्पेलिंग. डिजीज का डिजीज. क्राइसिस. कैक्टस. फोकस. फंक्स. Okay, phenomenon, Cretanian, and dictum. These are the irregular. So you have to learn this irregular, singular and noun, a singular and plural noun form. Plural noun forms used with a singular verb. Plural noun form used with a singular verb. News, athletics, billiards, darts, etc. And plural noun with a plural verb: turtles, jeans, glasses, etc. so this is for your information. This word can used with the singular verb, and this word is used with the plural verb. Then after, masculine and feminine noun is there. According to the gender, a noun can be classified into two parts, that is called masculine, feminine, and common gender. Okay, masculine gender, feminine gender, and common gender. What is masculine gender? A noun, it is said to be the masculine gender if it is refers to a male. When a noun is refers about the male, that is called masculine gender. For example, man, dog, tiger, boy, king, horse, milkman. ये सब किससे रिलेटेड है? मैन से, पुरुष. ठीक है, that is called masculine. Feminine means स्त्री, लड़की, औरत. That is called feminine. A noun that is said about the feminine gender if it refers to a female. फीमेल से रिफर करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वुमन, बीच, tigress, girl, queen, mare and milkmaid are the feminine. And after that common gender is there. A noun that is said to be a common gender if it refers to a person who can be male or female. Whatever the person that is not clarified whether they are male or female, that person is considered as a common gender. जैसे कि टीचर बोला लेकिन वो मेल है कि फीमेल है, दैट इज़ नॉट क्लियरिफाइड, सो द टीचर इज़ यूज्ड एज अ कॉमन जेंडर. स्टूडेंट बराबर गर्ल स्टूडेंट के बॉय स्टूडेंट मेंशन नहीं है, दैट्स वाई कॉमन जेंडर. एम्बेसडर, कैंडिडेट, सर्वन, मिनिस्टर. सो जिसके भी अंदर जेंडर स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया गया होता है, दैट जैसे सारी जो चीज़ें होती है, वट एवर द थिंग्स, वट एवर द नाउन्स दैट वर डिस्क्राइब विदाउट द clarifying about the gender, that is called common gender. Then after neuter gender is there. Neuter gender is said to be, it refers to a non-living thing. Okay, neuter gender is considered as a non-living thing. जैसे कि चेयर, टेबल, पेपर, पेंसिल जो non-living है उसको neuter gender कहा जाता है. Collective note, collective nouns even if they refers to living being are used a neuter noun. ठीक है, लिविंग को भी जो है उसमें कलेक्टिव नाउन्स के अंदर काउंट किया जाता है. जैसे कि द आर्मी इज डूइंग इट्स टास्क. आर्मी क्या होता है? ग्रुप ऑफ अ सोल्जर. सो दैट इज आर्मी इज कंसिडर एज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन बट इट इज यूज्ड एज अ न्यूट्रल जेंडर. पुलिस आर लुकिंग. पुलिस को भी हम इसके अंदर कलेक्टिव नाउन के अंदर काउंट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज वो बहुत सारे लोगों को मिलकर बनती है. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पुलिस. सो उसको न्यूट्रल नाउन के अंदर काउंट कर सकते हो. ऑब्जेक्ट्स नोटेड फॉर देयर पावर, स्ट्रेंथ एंड वायलेंस आर यूज्ड एज अ मस्क्यूलाइन जेंडर नाउन. कौन कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो नोट करते हैं पावर के बारे में, स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में और वायलेंस के बारे में, उसको आप मस्क्यूलाइन जेंडर नाउन कह सकते हो. जैसे कि सन इज सो scorching now that everything look burnt. He is shining brightly. यहाँ पे सन को बताया गया है, इसीलिए सन की ताकत को बताया गया है. That's why it is used as a masculine gender. The death is cruel. यहाँ डेथ को क्रूअलिटी के साथ बताया गया है. That's why it is considered as a masculine gender. डेथ के लिए यहाँ पे ही वर्ड यूज किया गया है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड masculine gender. Object noted for this beauty, क्लैमनेस एंड चार्म आर यूज्ड एज अ फेमिनाइन जेंडर. जो ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर ब्यूटी के बारे में बताया गया है, चार्म के बारे में बताया गया है, क्लैमनेस के बारे में बताया गया है, दैट इज़ आप उसको किस तरीके में गिन सकते हो, कौन से जेंडर में गिन सकते हो? फेमिनाइन जेंडर में गिन सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द नाउ द मून इज सो ब्राइट. हियर इन दिस सेंटेंस brightness, showing the brightness about the moon, so it looks very pretty. मून को बहुत प्रिटी बताया गया है, तो मून क्या गिना जाएगा? फेमिनाइन जेंडर गिना जाएगा. द अर्थ इज सैड हर ब्यूटी. अर्थ को हर ब्यूटी, वो ब्यूटी के साथ कंपेयर किया गया है, मीन्स यहाँ पे उसकी ब्यूटी बताई गई है. दैट्स वाई अर्थ इज कंसिडर एज अ फेमिनाइन जेंडर. तो वट एवर द ऑब्जेक्ट्स नोटेड फॉर द ब्यूटी, क्लैमनेस एंड चार्म, दैट इज यूज्ड एज अ फेमिनाइन जेंडर. यहाँ पे लिस्ट दिया है फेमिनाइन जेंडर और मस्क्यूलाइन जेंडर का, दैट यू हैव टू लर्न प्रॉपरली बिकॉज इन एग्जाम दिस टेबल इट विल बी वेरी important and useful for the answering of the question which will ask into the exam. Okay, that you have to learn all the masculine gender, what is considered that masculine into feminine, that given list here. The blue color word you can see, that is called masculine word, and the green color is showing on your screen, that is called feminine word. So this is about the noun, guys. I explained detail in about the noun chapter, noun part and number 1 and part number 2. I explained with the every rule and every type of the noun. So I hope that you can understand the proper meaning and proper rules and proper types of the noun. Friends, see this video 2 or 3 or 4 times, okay, so that you will be get proper idea about the noun chapter. I will send the PDF about the noun that you have to write down in your grammar notebook. Okay, in our next video we will discuss about the new chapter, new topic. Okay friends, bye, take care.